Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy back with another video, and today we'll be diving into trading. But today I think it's going to be a very important lesson for anyone who's just starting out or somebody who has been trading but have seen some success and now they're going through a little bit of a slump. This is how you have to recalibrate your brain. It's going to be very, very interesting, so stay tuned and watch till the end. But before I jump right in the video, I got to plug myself, so don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification button so you know when a new video drops, and follow the best Telegram channel for free signals that there is. Links are in the description. And if you're new and you want to try out Pocket Option for yourself, click the link in the description and you could create an account for free and start trading on a demo account, or you can start for real money if you feel like it. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So gang, let's dive right into the chart. And as you can see, got about 13K on the account. You can see on the 14th was my last trade. So right now I'm on Euro, Australian dollars. It's the pair I'm going to be working on. I have Euros and Russian rubles on the other side on OTC, just because I'm looking at the markets and looking at news, because I made some money off of it on a different account. So right now I'm just keeping it in the back so I could see. So let me add my indicators real quick, do my settings. Right here it's gonna be 200 EMA. If you've watched the video, you know that this is usually what I use. Come on, man. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Pocket Option has to fix that. All right. And lastly, we add our stochastic oscillator. Right now, we can see very, very bullish candle, right? So we want to see if that situation is the same on the other time frames. Now we're about to see it cross our 200 EMA. If we see that cross our 200 EMA, we're definitely going to a call here. But we see it, kind of relax a little bit. But this is a very, very bullish candle, which shows trends in the market. But we don't want to jump in head first, because we don't see it cross our 200 EMA. We might think the market is here. We don't see anything except for those situations there. We see it touch our 200 EMA. I think this is a good point to enter right here. I'm gonna enter for $2,000. We're able to catch a nice little upward trend as we entered into the market. I wanted to enter when the market was still here though. That would have been great. So as you can see, what I did was first I checked my 5 minutes and I wanted to see that same thing was happening. But you can see when you look at 5 minutes, you can see the market has always been in an upward trend. And when we go to even larger time frames, you can see that trend continues. I'm looking at my 200 EMA to really gauge for it. And as you can see, I don't know what the hell happened here. The market just didn't move? Or it's because of the weekend? All right, no big deal. So we'll go back to our M2. And right here, we can see our two trades are kind of safe and everything is looking great. So, it's not looking so great right now. Let's just get it off. All right, so right now we've got about 43 seconds left. Now we're getting a little bit of a pushback. The price is getting pushed back towards the end. Right now, we're a little bit farther from our 200 EMA, but I think we should still finish in the money. And I've got 20 seconds left. But they just fighting and the price get pushed down. But finally, we see the buyers take a little bit of a 10 seconds. All right. So now, despite that, I think we'll still continue to go up here. I think this is a full signal. I think if we can find a good point, we enter into another call. Despite the fact that I see that the price has been pushed down a lot here, because you can see how the price has been pushed down all the way here. but we're still seeing bullish signs. But now we're just looking for the right entry point. And I think we're just going to wait for that price to be pushed down a little bit more to, let's say, somewhere around here. If that price passes there, I think that would be a great point to enter before we see that flip. But I think we've seen that flip right now. I think the price is just going to continue to push up right here. No. We do see it push back a little bit. We should have entered earlier. Somewhere around here would have been better, honestly. If the price got to this point right here, definitely going into a call. So we're able to take profit on the first 2 trades. Quick little $880. Right now, I think it might be time for us to enter into a call. Our price has been touched, and it pulls even lower. But our price was touched. It pulled a little bit lower, but I'm not taking that risk. So we've got about 1:45. Now, if you go to your order, you can still see the same thing is happening. But here we can see that based on our zigzag, it's showing the market, it's definitely about to go downwards. But as I said, we're trading only in 2 minutes time frame, so it's very important for you to keep that in mind as well. Now we're seeing that situation where the market pulls absolutely downwards. But I think that price can still be pushed up. So we see a new candle start, and in this case, it's staying kind of red. Let's check out 5 minutes. Seeing the same situation here, but I think with 55 seconds left, I think we might still get in the money. Just need that pushed up a little bit more. Nice. I mean, now I feel a little bit better since it passed that mark at first. I think with 30 seconds left, there's definitely... And now we're up to 92%. I mean, it was on 88% before. And now the payout is on 92%. And usually when the payout changes, it usually doesn't end up well for me, if I'm being honest. So we took our first loss, no big deal, 1,000, we're down. 1 trade, let's see that added here. So yeah, let's go back to our M5 and see. So also showing downwards. So we're able to follow the first trend upwards, but now I think it's a situation where this is just way too strong of a candle pushing downwards, where I really feel like there is a possibility that the candles continue to go downwards. But we see based on our stochastic oscillator as well that we are in an upward trend. But based on the other candles, we look at M5 and M10, we are in a downward trend. So definitely entering into a put. Right, a second, let me double it up. Double it up so I can cover my loss right here. All right, everything is looking good. Price being pushed up a little bit. I'm just expecting this candle to finish lower than that price. Everything is looking good. Everything is looking good. This is not more I can say. Nothing more I can say, guys. Everything is looking good till the 120. I mean, we're pretty good in the money on this one for sure. So 2 other trades. We don't see any crazy movements in the market, which I doubt we'll see, at least. But you never know. Now we can see that price being pushed up, very close to our entry point. Now it's pushed past it. Now it's just like a tug of war at the moment of who's who and who's gonna get what. And now we're seeing that price blister up past our entry point when we have about a couple of seconds pretty much left. I'm thinking what I could do is switch my strategy a little bit, because all of my trades feel correct, but I feel like my time frame of 2 minutes, I'm losing a lot, because at the end of the day, because if this was 1 minute, I would have taken profit on this, and now I end up losing $2,000. Very close. All right, so right now we're 3,000 in the hole. Don't really like that, so we're gonna switch our time frame to 1 minute. Switch our candles to 1 minute, and here it just feels like it's going downwards. So we'll hit for 3K. Quick little one minute trade, because I feel like we've been taking profit on every single trade that had up to the 1 minute mark, but once it goes a little bit above, we end up losing that trade. And I'm trying to make that analysis as I'm going, and I see that all the trades I've lost, it's like seconds apart. And I feel like, okay, what if I reduce the time frame? Will that lead into a little bit more success in my trading? And as you can see, we're being pushed up a little bit here, but with 15 or 13 seconds left, if we don't see a huge push here. So it's very important for you to be able to understand the situations in the market and make those calls for yourself every now and then. So yeah, I mean, we went a little bit above what I want to, but I think that we could go one last trade so we can get some nice profit and make this nice, because it's only about 1,500 profit we've made. So I want to enter right that candle, or the new candle is going to start. I think it's going to pull up a little bit. I'm going to enter into so pretty much that's it. The most important thing when you're trading most of the time is that you have to really keep your eye on your time frames while you're losing. Is it because of the time frame? Because you might not be trading the right time frame. Because I was able to show you guys that me doing my 2 minutes, I'm able to see a situation where I'm losing my trades by a couple of seconds, so I'm able to switch that. It's very important for you to keep that at the back of your mind. So with 25 seconds left on this trade, it looks very good. So I think we're gonna take this as well, push that $1,000 win into a couple of thousands. While it's a little win, you have to take every single win that you get. Everything the market gives you, you have to take. Do not get greedy, because that's how you end up losing your head and losing your money. So with that, we get that $920. We're up 15K in the account. Thank you guys very much for joining me. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.